garden soil inside the cups, the plastic cups, and then we had held the bottles and held the hole that was drilled at the bottom where the thermometer would go, and then we would hold some baking soda in there, a set amount of baking soda, and then we'd pour some vinegar in there to release the carbon dioxide. And since carbon dioxide is heavier than gas, it would fall to the bottom, where then we would flip the bottle over on top of the cup and then seal it so the carbon dioxide would not escape.
What did you seal them with?
We used 2-liter bottles, and to ensure that they stayed there, we used tape, and at the very top we used a silicone so it would keep the thermometer set. Now this is our graphs. Like, one variable that we could have changed was that the greenhouse, the temperature, the initial temperature in the greenhouse was supposed to be 29 degrees Celsius, but that was not the case. It was supposed to be that, but it varied every day when I recorded that, so we couldn't have used that as that was a variable. It shouldn't have been, but it was.
Any other questions?
Yeah, you can just, last question. What was your hypothesis in this?
Our hypothesis was...
I didn't really know to yet.
The hypothesis was the plant with the capsule with the most carbon dioxide in it would grow the fastest. That was not the case.
So the results disagree with your hypothesis?
Yes.
I missed the beginning of you guys' presentation. So, tell me a bit about, I heard the question part, but tell me a bit about what you were looking for and why it's important.
We're looking for, see if they put more carbon dioxide in the plants, see if it will grow more efficiently or faster. And we know we're doing this because we wait for the environment to plant plants without hurting the environment.
There are a lot of things that you can do with this type of information. Like, if farmers want to produce more crops, they might want to invest in a greenhouse so they can control the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the greenhouse, so that the plants would grow faster and more efficiently. They wouldn't have to worry about using pesticides or any of that stuff because it would be inside of a contained area. So it's like a quarantine. All you have to do is prevent bugs from getting inside. They could grow more crops and improve their profit margins by surplus.